Alright guys, today we're in a Ford Flex. We're going to change the cabin AC filter. The part number is it 4018 I believe? Yeah, pretty simple. We're going to open the glove box, pull this to the side, get it out. Pull this one to the side, get it out. The whole thing flops down out of the way. All the stuff falls out of the glove box. I'm going to go up in here. I'm going to need both hands, but these tabs, you gotta get them pulled from the back over them hooks right there. So you're just going to reach around the back. I don't have enough room to do that. I'm just going to pull these down. I got to do it for both fingers. But you're going to pull on each side of it to get it down over this little center hook there on both sides. I'm going to do that and pop this open. And if you got to, you can always get like a little screwdriver, a little crowbar. There, just pop it. Boom, and they come out. No big deal. Then we're gonna get the air filter out. Pull straight out. Doesn't have a directional flow on this. If it did, I believe the arrow would be down on it, and this one says directional flow, so we want the arrows to be down, I believe, on this one. Hold on. Yep, get the arrows pointing down. Let's get the new one shoved in all the way. Then we'll put the cover back on it. And the tabs up in there first, up in there, and then push it so it clicks. No problem. Let's get these tabs up in first and then push the bottoms in until it clicks. Then we're going to close this back up, pushing these in on both sides. I'm going to need my hands. And just pushing the sides like that on both sides to get it up in and put all the stuff that fell out of your customer's glove box back in it. That's it, guys. I'll put the air filter in the description below. Just click the link. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you. Peace.